Next video is all about how to use tags, custom fields, and custom values to segment and store contact info in Zapify.io. So first step is we will open contact, and here we will see the tags here. So just click the plus sign. So choose wherever you want. So now we will choose the VIP client. After that, it will automatically save. So just go back to the smart list. So now, Flor di Liza, nakita na nato ang tags niya as a VIP client. Next step is go to settings. So here in the menu, let's go to the fields. Now, we will click the add field. So click the single line, then next. Here we will put the file name. For example, we named a VIP client. Here. And you can also add a preferences for additional. Oh, no. I forgot. So here we will select the contact and save. That's how you create the custom fields. Now we will see the VIP client here. Next is here custom values. We can also add a custom value to store reusable info like your business here, business phone, or other name that can be used across automation. That's all.